This is your captain speaking. Now we are going to Yehliu Geopark, the northern part of Taiwan. Going there, we need to take a bus from the main station, but in Terminal A. So right now we're going inside the mall, Square Mall, and then this is a bus station from the main station where we can buy the ticket, but that is not the one. So we're going to that terminal, and by going there we need to take this subway or underground and buy our tickets there. So after that, ride the bus, and on the way there we can see the University of Technology and the Sogo Mall. It's not a Sogo hotel. So in Taipei we can see all buildings, tall buildings. But it is beautiful to look at the buildings. Taipei is quite clean. And we have the bridge, but I don't know the name of the bridge. Maybe for my next video I can tell you maybe what's the name of that bridge. And we have the castle. To name it the castle, but I don't know why. And now we're going to our destinations. So the bus is climbing or going up to the mountain, and from here you can see a very big watermelon. Maybe it's sweet. So that is actually a houses on top of the mountain. So we just enjoy the scenery, and this is a park. So on the way there is we all see a mountain, and you can see that is where we're going. That seems like very close, but actually it's not close. We still need to travel around 30 to 40 minutes because going there is still need to go around the mountain, going down until we reach there. So now this is the entrance to the park from the main road, and on the way there we have the fish harbor, which all the fish will be dropped here or dropped there, and we have one lake, Yehliu and a clothing area. And now we are going to Geological. So welcome. And the entrance fee is at 80 New Taiwan dollar. And outside the park you can see still mountain, and on the way to Geopark is you can see the ocean view. Still ocean, but it's really good. It's very nice and cold there. And we have the rock formation, and this is the Queen's Head. And from here we can start our adventure or venture. Now you're going to think where you're going to go, or where you're going to start, because it is really a big park. Here you have people, and it is raining, but raining cannot stop us by venturing. So it is like a mushroom, stone mushroom. It's really, really good. But the only thing, it's all wet. So when you come here, much better it is, or it is not raining, because it looks like a desert. And this is the statue of Lin Shen, a hero who saved So from here you can see the good views. Actually, this is on top of the mountain, like close to the lighthouse. So beautiful. Hope you can come here and visit also this beautiful place. So when you come to Taiwan, you must not miss this, because it's really, really good. It's beautiful. Most of the tourists here is from Japan, Korea, China, and many more. It's really, really beautiful. See, wow, really beautiful. I see that is a hotel. So enjoy, just enjoy it. And we have the ocean world. Here you can see the dolphin and some fish creatures. And if you feel hungry, there's a restaurant here that you can eat good and nice food. It's a good food. Now, after we're going home again, going back to the main station. So now we're going to wait for the bus going back there. So guys, see you again, and hope you will watch the next video, and do not forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thank you.